Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Melita Santiago. I'm 31 years old, married. I have a 7 years old daughter. I haven't finished college, and I have a 2 years of experience as a domestic helper here in the Philippines. My main job was to take care of the children, and as a hands-on mom to my child, I've taken care of a newborn and a toddler, so I really understand childcare. Beside that, I also do a household chores such as cleaning the whole house, washing, folding, and ironing clothes. I also do marketing and grocery shopping too. I can cook a variety of Filipino dishes, and I am always willing and eager to learn more. And to my future employer, if you will hire me, I will do my duties and responsibilities. And as a person, I can say that I am patient, kind, and trustworthy. I am fast learner and adapt quickly to a new environment. Thank you and have a good day.